Hey, and welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to share the cleanup of this old forged screwdriver that I got from my grandfather a number of years ago. I never used it because it was so rusty and grungy that it just left a lot of residue on your hands, and I never really had a need for it. As I was starting to restore this saw, I needed a narrower head on the screwdriver that I was using. This one was way too wide. In that video you'll see I used it anyway to take them off. But to put them back on I had to get a good fit, and I remembered that I had this, and it fits perfect. You can see here how much thinner it is right at the tip. Quick 5 minutes on the wire wheel, took it right down everywhere that I could reach. And while I was doing this, I did use the grinder to take off a few sharp points on it. It has another sharp point in there. If you really grabbed it, you could get your hand on it. So I just took a file and cleaned that up as best I could. It still has the rust on the inside of the loop. Bit of rust loosening WD-40 formula and a wire brush. Pretty much you can never go wrong. Slap on a bit of paste wax and call it a day. Come back once it's dry and buff it out, and I'll never have to deal with that level of rust again. Hope you enjoyed this quick cleanup, and thanks for checking out the channel. Stay tuned for the restoration of the saw and the saw set that I used.